Hi, my friends. Okay, I missed y'all so much last week, but I hope y'all had a really good week. I know y'all been working really hard on subtraction lately, so I wanted to show y'all a game we can play. It's gonna help us grow our minds, and we're gonna get really good at subtraction, okay? So let me show you how to play it. Okay, so it's telling us to move the apples to the basket. So from this tree to the basket, to help us find this subtraction problem, okay? We want to figure out 4 minus 3. There's 4 apples in the tree. We're going to take 3 away. Let's do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I've taken 3 apples away. So how many are left? I only see 1. Let's check it. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Let's see if that's right. We got it right. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, this one tells me 5 minus 3. So I have 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples, and I'm going to take 3 away. Let's put 3 in the basket. 1, 2, 3. How many apples are left? Can you count in the tree and see how many? That's right, 2. Kiss your brain. Good job, friends. All right, let's see. Good job. Okay, so let's do this one with our number bond. So we see we have 6 apples. If you need to, you can count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our whole. That's how many we have all together. 6. Remember, whole goes up here. 6 apples. There we go. So you can see it. And I'm taking 1 away. So that has to be one of my parts. And remember, when I take away, I want to cross it out. Taking 1 away. Let's do that with our apples. Let's take 1, put it in the basket. How many apples are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be my other part. 5. 5. Ready? See if you can see that. Get it where you can see. There you go. Okay, let's check it. We said 6 minus 1 equals 5. Let's double check. Good job. Okay. So that's one of our games that we can play. We have one more game that I wanted to show you. All right, here we go. This one is about a funny bunny. So silly. It says that Bunny hid 5 eggs in the grass, but she only found 1, just 1. So how many eggs are still hidden? Okay, Bunny had 5 eggs, 5 of them. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. And she found 1 of them, just 1. So let's give 1 of the eggs to Bunny. All right, let's see how many are still in the grass. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got a little ahead of myself. Remind me, how many eggs did Bunny find? Just 1. So I know we took away 1 egg. So I'm finding out 5 minus 1. Now let's count how many eggs are in the grass. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Let's see if that's right. Good job. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to let you practice them, okay? Okay. This one's about those silly snails. It says there were 10 snails in the grass. So all 10 snails. Let's see. Two snails crawled on to the stump. On the stump. So we want to know how many are left. So I remember, I had 10, right? 10. And 2 crawled on to the stump. So let's move our 2. Ready? 1, 2. They're on the stump. Okay. I moved 2 snails. So that must mean I took those 2 away. All right, let's see how many were left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Let's check. Sorry, friends. Good job. All right. Okay, so I'm going to leave the rest for you to practice, okay? Remember, this is just something to help our brains grow, help us get more comfortable with subtraction. I know y'all been doing so good at home. I'm so proud of you. I miss each one of you, but I hope you have a lot of fun with this game, okay? Bye, my friends.